Well, hello, friends. How's everyone been? Well, this is the latest project I'm going to give a try at. This is a 1938 Philco. Here's a look at the dial glass. Doesn't look too bad. This is the first time I've actually really looked at it. It's a Philco model 3893. I downloaded the schematics for it, actually. It's a pretty simple radio. There are its original knobs. It unfortunately, and this is really the first time I actually have looked at anything. I haven't been able to pull this out yet because it did not have any screws. And it's permanently hardwired in, so I've got to come up with some way to get this detached without tearing it all apart. And it looks like there's been a bird has moved into it for a while. Oh my gosh. This is how typically, if I'm lucky enough to find an unrestored original, hopefully it kind of looks like that. I'll have a few spiders that have lived in it from time to time, and from what I can tell from the top, it looks like it might have had a bird roosting in it there for a little bit. Kind of hard to say exactly what all these little white things are. It's not rusty. It's just been sitting around someplace for a long time. Now, I already pulled this thing apart. I've already pulled this thing out once before and had a look at all these tubes. Oops, didn't check that one. And, well, the 4 I did check, they all tested good, so that's a good sign. But anyway, my next video up, I'll post up on how I run through to make sure that at least I have some kind of continuity in the IF cans and some sort of continuity in its transformer to find out whether or not moving on from this point is a good thing, or do I need to go and see if I can figure out how to redo a transformer or an IF, or do I just want to not try the project at all? As far as its condition of the wood, there's a scratch that will be gone when I strip it. Doesn't appear to be any damage at all. A few little dents in the finish, which is basically almost completely gone. I'm going to need to put a veneer piece in here. And probably one there too. I hate it when I would love just to go to veneer the entire front of this thing, but it has some inlay that's been covered up with probably that Formby's refinished junk. I wish people wouldn't put on furniture because it just makes kind of a mess. But there it is. Pretty nice little radio, really. And this is going to be a fun one to get going. I might be able to get a new dial glass plastic. This is just a new dial glass for it, because this is just some kind of plastic, and this may very well be remanufactured. This grill cloth, it's probably original. Kind of unusual for early Philcos to not have any pattern to it, but it needs to be replaced. It's got a cigarette burn hole in it, and just not a lot of it left. So anyhow, there should be my next project, and I'll let you know I'll get a video posted up for you that will show you what I try next. Thanks a lot for watching.